mostly smooth flight, maybe some light bumps on and off until Cancun. Once again, some bumps just under our descent into the airport area down there. Probably the last 15 minutes of the flight or so. Latest Cancun weather, this report is just about 10 minutes old. Kind of a rainy day down there. Rain showers are on and off throughout the day, overcast skies. Temperatures 30 degrees Celsius, right at around 87 degrees Fahrenheit currently. In the future, with its flight attendants are going to have very important safety briefing for everyone.
Oh, it opens outwards.
Oh my God, Connor.
Just like that, we're here in Cancun, Mexico. Was greeted with a glass of champagne. That was great. This room is amazing. Like, holy crap, it's so nice. This is the bathroom. And then we even got, watch, this is the best part of this room. Oh, you think jacuzzi. And then it goes out to a balcony with a pool view and all the trees and stuff. But we're gonna be here for a week long, right?
Yep.
And it's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna do some snorkeling. We're gonna probably get a good video out for you guys. And until then, see you tomorrow morning. Hopefully today is going to be a great day. We're going to go scuba diving today, and we went snorkeling yesterday. So let's see what scuba diving's like. I've never done it before. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm also really excited. So yeah, here's that footage right now. steakhouse we're about to go to. We're also gonna go to Ruth's Chris, I think, 2 days from now. We're gonna go to Xcaret, something like that, but it's an adventure park. It's got like scuba, snorkel. I don't know about scuba, we'll find out. I don't think it does actually. But it's got snorkeling, it's got like caves, so hopefully I will get to show you that right now. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, you are. Isn't that how you get? Oh, look, the first thing I bought was alcohol and drugs.
Life complete, huh?
Sometimes, but tonight's our last night here in Cancun. It was a great week. We went parasailing, we went scuba diving, snorkeling. You'll have seen all of that by now, obviously. But sorry we haven't been talking to you much. It's just been more of a chill, lay low, kind of hang out week. And sorry I haven't had a video out in a while. I just had a lot going on with work and stuff like that. But hopefully we're gonna get back up to a regular upload schedule once I get moved in and this next school year's all started. But until next time, see ya.